Hi everyone, welcome to lesson 4. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to create and automate a shortcut. Although the overall process will be the same, when you create your custom shortcut, the actions that you choose will be custom to you. The first routine that I'm going to focus on is one that I do every day when I leave from work, and that is I pull up my maps and I map to the University of Tampa. However, instead of fumbling with my phone, I want to make this automatic. The first thing I'm going to do is make sure I'm on the shortcut homepage. I'm going to hit the plus button, and I'm going to add an action. You can see that there's a category side and an app side. The apps I need to use are the Maps app. When I click the Maps app, I'm going to select Open Directions, and there's lots of choices, but I'm going to select Open Directions. You'll notice that it gives me a prompt. Open driving directions from current location, which is going to be my workplace. It'll know I'm there, to, and then I'm going to hit the word destination, and I'm going to type in the University of Tampa. Done. So now it will map me to the University of Tampa. I'm going to click the top, and I'm going to rename this UT. Done. And I'm going to hit done. So now this shortcut is in my homepage. Now remember, this is an unautomated shortcut, which means I will have to press this shortcut in order for it to work. But I want to make this automated. So what I'm going to do is click on the automation page, and I'm going to click the plus symbol. And I want this shortcut to work when I leave work. So I'm going to hit leave. I'm going to choose my location, which is Shaw Elementary. And I'm going to make sure it runs immediately. When it's going to pick up when I leave work, and the Maps app is going to open and start mapping me to UT. Then I will hit next, and I will choose the shortcut I created, UT, and now it's in there. I can see that when I leave Shaw Elementary, it will map me to UT automatically without me pressing anything. The next shortcut I am going to teach you how to create is a routine that I do every day, and that's my morning routine. It's really important to me, and I want to make sure that it's working and automated every day so I don't forget anything. The first that I'm going to do is the same as the last. I'm going to hit the plus symbol. I'm going to hit add action, and I'm going to go to my apps. The first thing I like to do in the morning is check the weather. When I click on the weather app, I'm going to hit get current weather. The next action I would like to add is looking at the news. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide up on the weather, X out of that, and choose a new app. That app's going to be Safari. On Safari, I'm going to hit show web view, and it has a place for me to insert a URL. The URL I'm going to add is the Tampa Bay Times. That's going to give me my news. I'm going to copy and paste it. So now, so far, my shortcut is telling me the weather and opening up the news for me. The last routine I want to add in the morning, I'm going to open that back up. There we go. The last routine I want to do in the morning is I would like to make sure I check my to-do list. So I'm going to go into my to-do list app, and I want to open a list. And the list I want to open is my Shaw to-dos. These are the 3 steps that I would like to perform in the morning. Check the weather, show me the news, and open my to-dos app. Now, I'm going to rename this as Good Morning. And it will save in my unautomated shortcuts. Now remember, I want this to run automatically. So I'm going to go into my automation page, and I'm going to select how I want it to run. Now this time, I want it to run when my alarm goes off. So I'm going to hit alarm. When my alarm is stopped, my wake up alarm, and I want it to run immediately. I will hit next. I will choose my good morning shortcut, and then I can see it here. So whenever I stop my morning alarm, it's going to start that routine. Those are 2 examples of shortcuts that I created that I then automated. So now both those shortcuts will run automatically.